guys, Steph here. What we got for you today? Hey, we've got a lovely Mentmore fountain pen. And yes, this is another one from one of my recent pen hauls. So this one came to me. Let's show you a little bit of a clip of it before. Here we go, there's the pen. As you can see, like a lot of these pens, just a little bit tired, bit of discolouring to the top. So yeah, it needs a little bit of work. And after the work, here we have the pen. You can see in absolutely gorgeous condition, in this sort of lovely brown and sort of black marbling, as I say, in gorgeous condition. Now normally on these the barrel imprint generally are pretty good, but on this particular one the only thing we can actually see, normally it has Mentmore Autoflow made in England, and then to the bottom it normally has Pat applied for. Now I don't know if you can actually see, but on this one, well, we can't see the imprint, but we can actually see what normally is to the bottom, the Pat applied for. So for some reason, whether it was like that or a bad sort of imprint on the barrel, I don't know, but the imprint looks to be very, very faint, or in some cases actually missing. But don't be put off, it's still a gorgeous pen. The size of it from the top of the cap to the bottom of the barrel is 125 millimeters capped. Around the barrel it's a lovely 12 millimeters in diameter. If we take you to the cap, you can see it's actually got a single cap band, and then we've got the very recognizable from the period, this ball clip, and to the top there you can see it's got the M, which is the logo for Mentmore. And then to the top there you can see, well, before it was very discoloured, we've actually polished all that out. You can see it's nice and black, and that sort of complements the end of the barrel there, which is also black. Now this pen is what we term as a button filler, which we'll show you in a moment. Well, no, let's show you now. The button filler, what we do, we unscrew the sort of blind cap there, and if we show you there, you can see it's got this lovely clean button there in brass, and again you can see everything is lovely and clean. What we've done, we've fully disassembled the pen, we've cleaned everything internally, we've put a new sack in the pen. I think this one, I can't actually remember, I think I needed a new pressure bar, so we've installed a new pressure bar inside. So hopefully everything should be in working order. There you go, there's the section. You can see slightly concave, and then let's show you the nib there. The nib is a Mentmore Osmi Iridium 14 karat gold nib in lovely condition. There's a sideways view, the feed underneath. Yes, I know I always repeat it, but everything gets cleaned, as you can see there. All in all, an absolutely gorgeous pen, and actually it's not a large pen, but it's a lovely, especially with this section, it's a very nice comfortable pen to hold. Incidentally, these particular pens came in numerous different colours. Obviously they came in sort of standard black, some of them had a black chasing pattern, and they came in different colours as well. This one being, as you've already seen, this lovely sort of brown marbling. I actually did a review on a green one, exactly the same pen, so later on at the end of the video to the top there, I will leave you a link to the green one. But what we'll do, because this one, as I say, has been fully restored, what we're going to do is find a new home for it. Somebody will enjoy this pen for many years to come. So what we'll do, let's do a writing sample. What we do, nice and simple, dip the nib and a little bit of the section in the ink and press down a couple of times on this button. There we go. Lots of bubbling going on, lots of gurgling. Let's give it a wipe and let's see how the pen writes. So let's pop the blind cap back on. Let's bring on a little bit of paper and let's do a writing sample. So what we have is a Mentmore Autoflow fountain pen. It's a gorgeous writer. It's lovely and smooth. What date is the pen? I'm dating it sort of, yeah, late 1930s going through to the 1940s. Does it have any flecks? They're not renowned to having any flecks, so I would say no. But writing, very nicely indeed. Very smooth writer, absolutely gorgeous. So there's a writing sample. I would say, I don't know, maybe a fine, getting onto a medium line, but as I've just said, a lovely smooth writer. So for you people that don't know, or you've never heard of the Mentmore pens, well, here we have a Mentmore pen, superb made pens, quality made pens, and as good, if not better, than a lot of the major manufacturers of that period. An absolutely gorgeous pen, and as you can see, in beautiful condition, all ready to go and ready to find a new home. So there we have it. I hope you've enjoyed looking at the pen as much as I enjoyed showing them to you people. Don't forget, down below, don't be shy, leave a comment down below, and just there press that thumbs up to say that you've enjoyed the video. And last but not least, don't forget to subscribe, then you don't miss any videos. And don't forget people, wherever you are around the world, especially our friends in the Ukraine, please stay safe. Slava Ukraini. But from me and this lovely pen, I'll just say bye bye for now.